Yes, you guys, we just marked the 1 year when we moved into this house. We have so many other plans that we wanna accomplish in this house, but it's fun to look back how much we have accomplished so far. Poop everywhere!
No, we only found one mouse.
I don't believe you.
Ask him.
I don't remember.
Oh my
I know
god!
where the mice were coming through, right there.
Oh my god! My god!
Under the sink area.
Things are way more relaxed this year. Around Christmas time last year it was very crazy with all the moving and the construction. So now we can taking it slower a little bit. So I'm going to craft a little and create some Christmas ornaments. It's very easy to gather all the things for this little ornament, but I got this as a set. As I was standing in the line at Marshall's, I saw that and I immediately thought this is gonna be a cute project. Okay, so the other thing, I promised you guys the soap making video, which I will do, but here's the thing. When I did that soap with my friend, she already had everything, so she didn't have to buy it, so I only paid for her the amount that we used up. But when you order it, you kind of order it in a bulk, which means a lot of investment. So I started to gather the things that I need for soap making, but honestly it can cost a lot if you're starting from scratch, because once you have all the oils it's just easy to make a batch, but now I have to buy every ingredient of it. And then you might ask if it's worth it. Yes, it does, because for that amount of soap that I have right here, so it is all good ingredients, and this, I don't know, it's like 50 of them or 45, I have no idea, I'm just estimating. But because we used my essential oils, I had to pay for her $35. So this amount over here costed me $35. So it does worth that to make, but that means I don't have to buy now ingredients for $35, but it's more like, I'm estimating about $200. So I bought a few of the oils, and the coconut oil I was able to find some at the grocery outlet, because you cannot use unrefined one, which I have at home, and extra virgin olive oil doesn't work either, it has to be refined. So these are the things that I'm still gathering into one video, so it will be easier for you guys. But that's why I'm kind of delayed with that video. For the candles, so far what I find the best, I added coconut oil to my bee wax. When I only use the bee wax, it didn't work out that well, it just burned down in the middle and it kind of couldn't melt that nicely. So either you can play with the shape and the size, but I just did not even a half coconut oil. I think I just went with the 1/3 of coconut oil and 2/3 of wax. I'm still experimenting with this recipe, but so far it works better than the other one. And a little tip for you guys, you can go to Goodwill because you can find these cute glasses for so cheap, and they can make a very unique and personalized gift. Like this one is for my friend as well, but it's very inexpensive, and also this is something I would never think of to buy at the Goodwill, but I went there in my mind to find something cute for candles. Now I started to see potential in every little cute dishes and cups, and so you can get creative with that. I just wanted to mention this idea to you guys, that you can play around that, and it looks like it's coming from an expensive store. Let's just face it, it looks really good. So I only use beeswax, coconut oil, I chopped up some cedar little branches there, or leaves, and then, or needles, or what is it called, and then I added some cinnamon and tangerine oil and pine balsamic fir essential oil, and this is it. We had a very nice and relaxing Christmas. It was very quiet because, well, I was sick, so it wasn't as much fun, but it was still very enjoyable, and of course kids were very happy. And thank you so much for all the sweet gifts that you guys have sent me. I treasured them and I opened them at Christmas Eve, so a big thank you for that. I really appreciate that. Check this out, guys. Good morning. So today is the first day when I feel decent enough to grab the camera. I'm still very clogged in my nose. It's not fun. But at least I feel so much better. And today it's snowing. Maybe that's why I feel better, I don't know. We have tons of snow. Wow. That is no joke, it's really snowing. I have to find a shovel. Oh man! Oh, you poor thing. Holy moly. Oh man. Is this water in there? Holy cow. So what's the problem? Oh, I see. Yeah, it's gonna stay there.
Wish that I could stay. Wish that I could stay.
special, I know. It's up on the tree.
Just an ordinary day. I was making my way. Who would have known I spent my last nickel on the super mega winning ticket? I was feeling kinda wicked when I heard my boss through the crowd. But I just smiled. What you gonna do with all that cash? I'm gonna stay out in an all-nighter bash. I'm gonna buy myself a nice suit and tie, and then I give my boss the finger in my private jet flyby.
When we bought this house with this property, we were kind of like excited at the beginning, and then it hit us like, what kind of a project that we bought into on ourselves. And now we see why it's a great thing. We have so many trees that are falling down because this used to be an Christmas tree farm, and then they were too close to each other, so many of them are dead and they don't have roots. They didn't develop as they should be because they didn't get enough sunshine and nutrition. So now we have plenty of wood to warm up our house with the fireplace. Splitting the wood, it's very hard on the back, but Joat was very hesitant to buy a wood splitter, but I was thinking it would be a nice Christmas present for him, and he made some deal at the store because it was a broken one that he bought. So he fixed something on that splitter and it's been working beautifully. Joat is also teaching the boys how to use this safely, and they've been enjoying to learn all the skills, how to create a firewood and then make a fire in the fireplace. So all the skills that we can pass on and that can help them to create a homestead. It's almost lunchtime, so we're gonna go in very soon to have some lunch. So even though I'm very far from feeling good, I'm trying to enjoy as much as possible because this is not happening very often over here. And guys, don't get sick, not fun.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe, and I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way, but as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself in a cabin out.
Christmas is gone, but we still have a long winter ahead of us, so we are going to decorate a little bit outside just to cheer up, make it more welcoming. Zsolt and the boys are putting down some poles, and this is where we're going to hang the string light. We bought this from Costco. Now that I'm feeling better, I am cooking all those cookies and traditional sweets that we like to eat around Christmas. So I kept it very simple, and we just had one kind of cookie and one kind of food at Christmas time. But now I'm in full swing back to the kitchen and then baking every day something. I mean, that's what all about. This whole winter, when it's cold outside, it kind of warms up the kitchen and the whole house smells wonderful. So this is what we are been up to. I hope that you had an amazing Christmas and holidays. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys soon in the next one. Bye!